Yay, the show is finally back. After like years. Yeah. I don't know. Please forgive me. Alright, so it's time for the elimination. Alright, today's prizes are gummy squares. By the way, we didn't get 0 votes. Slime ball is the first one safe with, well, none. He got immunity. Next person safe is Sky, Ball with 7 votes. By the way, I'm gonna keep these poses of pictures. Okay. The next person safe is, well, the next 2 people safe are Sky profile picture and Teardrop. Now we're down to the bottom 3. Loser, Tan profile picture, and Spike Ball. Well, Tan profile picture is safe. Well, it is so obvious. And loser is eliminated with 56 votes. Spike Wall, you're safe with 49. Alright, today's challenge is going on the platform like episode 2. Take that, Nelly. Reeeee. Hi, I am Exy Lolwin. Later because I'm too lazy. Viewers, vote for one of these 8 to be eliminated. Is it gonna be Nelly who's going home? Oh yeah, if we don't get any viewer votes, then I'm just gonna do random. Lavender Ball, Reboot, Lime profile picture. Oh, Lime. I'm just gonna say lime. Corny, tennis ball, blue profile pic. Blue or taco. Voting Enzo once whenever episode like 6 comes out. I forgot what it was. I gotta check with my me. What is my life? We're on episode 5. So yeah, voting ends once whenever episode 6 comes out. Do you think we're gonna get any recognition? Nope. Lol. We need our poses changed. Lol. Yee. There won't be any pose changes, boy. Please kill me. I don't know why I want that. Like that. So, yeah.